Hello guys, as you all know, Apple has released the iOS Beta 3 just 2 days ago. So today, we will talk about every new feature that is introduced in the iOS 18 Beta 3, and I will let you know about bug fix, and should you update it or not, and what are the problems you will face after installing the beta updates. After all, it's a developer beta and not the public beta. So starting with the all-new dark mode icon, which are only available for official apps during the Beta 1, but now in Beta 3, it's available for many third-party apps. Also, we can see the dark mode icon for the Apple Maps. Next, we have the new emoji picker interface that now feature a more round emoji in the emoji tabs and has improved space between emoji. Next, we have the dynamic iOS 18 wallpaper that change colors throughout the days and weather. Next, we have the new flashlight interface, which is now bigger and badder with the amazing graphics, which are easy to understand when adjusting the light. Next, we have the In the Photos app. We can see the select option at the top, and the search options color has changed from gray to blue. Further, Apple has also removed the rounded edge style for viewing photos and replace it with edge-to-edge view, just like the iOS 17. Next, we have changes in Control Center setting. We now have instruction graphics that demonstrate how to navigate the Control Center. It will significantly help the newcomers to the iOS. And now the biggest, the RCS message toggle in the setting, which is previously available to users in the United States, is now appeared to some people in the Canada and Asia, but it's not clear that the RCS is functional or not in that region. So that's it, guys. The all features which are fixed and introduced in the Beta 3. Also, guys, iOS 18 is still in the developer beta, so it can cause problem to your day-to-day life. So I will suggest you not to update this and wait till the public beta, and it might take a time. And the original public version will be released with new iPhone lineup in September. Thank you guys for watching till the end. See you next time. Peace.